Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll work on loading some video games into the game table. First, let's go over what we'll be doing. We'll start by loading a game spreadsheet into a new import set. Then we'll create a new transform map and run the auto mapping assistant. Once the transform map is properly configured, we'll transform the data into the game table. Alright, so let's get started. Here I have the spreadsheet. We can see the spreadsheet has 7 columns, which map to the 7 fields in the game table. We have the game number, title, release date, released, genre, developer, and ESRB rating for each game. It's important to note that the values of the genre and ESRB rating in the spreadsheet must map to the values of the choices in ServiceNow and not the labels, which contain capital letters. During the transform, the system uses the values rather than the labels to map these choices. Now let's navigate into the System Import Sets application. We'll click Load Data and provide a name and attach the file. Once the data has been loaded, we'll click the Loaded Data link, which will take us to the Import Set table. Here we can see our loaded data. Next, we'll create a new transform map. We'll provide a name and select the source and target tables. Once created, we'll click the Auto Map Matching Fields UI action. Next, we'll navigate into the Mapping Assistant and verify the fields mapped successfully. Everything looks good here, so we'll go back and deselect the Run Business Rules checkbox and save the record. Now we'll click Transform. We'll verify the import set and transform map and click Transform. Once complete, we'll navigate into the Video Games table and here we can see our 6 game records. It's important to note that I had the wrong date format in the spreadsheets, so the mapping of the date fields did not work. However, I manually entered the dates between these clips, so the proper dates were in the system.